Get ready to explore the future of transportation with the most innovative flying cars. From the CycloTech CruiseUp to the ASKA Fly eVTOL, these groundbreaking designs are changing how we travel. Join us as we dive into the world of air mobility and discover what's next for personal, sustainable flying vehicles. The AirCar. Italy has introduced an exciting innovation in transportation. The AirCar, a flying vehicle designed to push the boundaries of mobility. This futuristic, compact module boasts a maximum speed of 750 km per hour, making it a game-changer in the world of aviation. The AirCar can carry up to 4 passengers and offers exceptional stability and maneuverability. This is thanks to its 4 rotating Rolls-Royce jet engines, which can independently adjust their inclination and rotation, ensuring smooth, controlled flights. Constructed with carbon fiber monocoque, the AirCar is both incredibly strong and lightweight. Despite being in the early stages of development, its advanced engineering already promises impressive performance. Mansory, the company behind the AirCar, is working towards building a full-scale prototype by 2024. With cutting-edge technology and premium materials in use, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag, though the exact figure hasn't been disclosed yet. A similar design from Mansory has been projected to cost around $627,500, giving us a hint of what the AirCar might be valued at in the future. Alef Model A flying car, the future of commuting. The Alef Model A is a game-changer in transportation. This all-electric flying car drives on roads and can take off vertically, making traffic jams a thing of the past and travel much faster. It can fly for about 10 miles and drive nearly twice that distance. The Model A is equipped with cutting-edge stabilization technology, electric propulsion, and smart flight controls to ensure a smooth experience. It's designed with safety in mind, no exposed propellers and all-wheel drive. At around $300,000, it's the first flying car approved by the Federal Aviation Authority for use in the U.S. Its innovative design allows it to rotate sideways in the air with 8 rotating blades, meaning it's small enough to fit in your driveway while still being able to fly. The future of commuting has arrived with the Alef model. KleinVision's Flying AirCar, the future of personal transportation. KleinVision's AirCar is a game-changer for getting around. Created by Stephen Klein, this 2-seater can transform from a road car to a flying vehicle in less than 3 minutes. Flying is straightforward with just a few controls. Your left hand handles altitude, and your right hand controls direction. Safety is a major focus, with features borrowed from race cars, the ability to keep flying even if the engine stops, automatic landing, and a range of emergency systems. The AirCar is still in development but has already successfully tested its second-generation prototype. It got its aircraft certification in January 2022. With its potential for leisure flights, self-driving trips, and commercial taxi services, the AirCar promises to redefine how we travel. Pegasus E-Flying Car. The Pegasus E-Flying Car is a remarkable hybrid electric vehicle that quickly transforms from a road car to a flying machine. In just 3 seconds, it shifts from helicopter mode to road mode. Designed for 1 to 4 passengers, the Pegasus has a sleek, compact structure that fits into standard parking spaces. On the road, it can reach a top speed of 75 miles per hour, with a driving range of 47 miles. Once airborne, it cruises at 81 miles per hour and covers an impressive flying range of 300 miles. It can soar to a maximum altitude of 5,906 feet, making it ideal for short-distance air travel. The Pegasus is made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, enhancing its efficiency and durability. Safety is a priority, with multiple redundant systems built in to ensure a secure ride, whether on the road or in the air. This futuristic vehicle is a game-changer for urban mobility, law enforcement, and emergency services, offering a seamless transition between air and land. CycloTech CruiseUp. The CycloTech CruiseUp is an innovative vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle that uses advanced cycloidal rotor technology. This technology, known as cyclorotors, provides precise control, enhanced stability, and efficient thrust in multiple directions, making it perfect for urban air mobility. The CruiseUp is designed for short-range flights, focusing on busy urban environments where traditional aircraft and ground vehicles struggle with congestion. Its compact design allows it to operate in tight spaces, such as small landing pads on rooftops or parking lots. The cyclorotor system offers superior maneuverability, enabling vertical takeoffs, landings, and hovering capabilities. CycloTech places a strong emphasis on sustainability and efficiency in the CruiseUp's design, which is expected to be fully electric. With its forward-thinking technology and compact design, the CycloTech CruiseUp offers a smart solution for urban transportation challenges. Xpeng Aeroht's Flying Car, the future of urban mobility. The Xpeng Aeroht's Flying Car is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that can both drive on roads and take to the skies. Developed by Xpeng Aeroht, a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors, it's known as the world's first fully functional flying car, merging automotive and aviation technologies into one futuristic machine. This innovative vehicle features a sleek, aerodynamic design. It drives like a regular car but can transform into a flying vehicle when needed. The flying car is powered by a combination of electric motors and rotors that allow for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. Safety is a top priority in its design. It comes equipped with multiple safety systems, including redundancies like parachute mechanisms, to ensure a secure flight. Additionally, it's integrated with Xpeng's autonomous driving and flying systems, allowing for semi-autonomous navigation both on the road and in the air. Samson Sky Switchblade, the flying sports car. Imagine a car that can transform from a sleek sports car into a soaring airplane in just minutes. With the press of a button, you can go from driving on the road to flying above the clouds. The Samson Sky Switchblade is a revolutionary vehicle that makes this dream a reality. On the ground, it can drive at speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, while in the air, it reaches an impressive 200 miles per hour. It's designed to save you time, money, and gas by avoiding busy airports and congested traffic. The Switchblade offers the thrill of flying without sacrificing the comfort and safety of driving. It's the world's first flying sports car, a hybrid electric vehicle with 3 wheels that can be driven on regular roads and flown from any airport. When not in flight, the wings and tail fold neatly under the body, protecting them from damage and keeping the vehicle sleek and compact. Whether you're on the road or in the sky, the Switchblade delivers a one-of-a-kind experience, blending the best of both driving and flying. Aeromobile 5.0 VTOL Flying Car. The Aeromobile 5.0 VTOL Flying Car is a groundbreaking innovation by the Slovakian company Aeromobile. This futuristic vehicle is a door-to-door flying car that seats 4 people and is powered entirely by electricity. Its propulsion system is a clever combination. A rear pusher propeller provides horizontal thrust, while 2 electric propellers on the tips of the wings enable vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. When it's time to drive on the road, the wings pivot backward, allowing for smooth transitions between driving and flying. Safety is a priority in the Aeromobile 5.0. It includes features like airbags and even a full aircraft parachute for added protection. The flying car can travel an impressive distance of 435 miles, making it ideal for both city commutes and longer intercity trips. Upon reaching a destination, users can choose between driving or taking flight. This flexibility makes it perfect for versatile travel needs. Aeromobile's goal with the 5.0 is to achieve fully autonomous flight in the future, bringing personal air travel closer to reality. With this innovation, the future of transportation is set to be more exciting and convenient than ever before. ASKA Fly eVTOL. The ASKA Fly eVTOL is a groundbreaking personal aircraft designed to redefine urban and regional transportation. This innovative vehicle combines the features of an electric car with the capabilities of a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It offers a seamless travel experience by allowing you to drive on roads and highways and then take to the skies. Ideal for bypassing traffic and covering longer distances, the ASKA Fly eVTOL has a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. It's powered by advanced electric motors and features state-of-the-art aerodynamics for exceptional performance. The compact design makes it suitable for urban environments, while enhanced safety features ensure a secure journey. With its futuristic technology, the ASKA Fly eVTOL is a promising solution for sustainable and flexible transportation. Terrafugia TF-X. The Terrafugia TF-X is an ambitious hybrid electric flying car designed to change the way we travel. It's set to revolutionize personal transportation, offering the freedom to both drive and fly. This futuristic vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers, making it perfect for families or small groups. It boasts an impressive cruise speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 500 miles, allowing you to travel long distances quickly. One of its most innovative features is its VTOL capability, which stands for vertical takeoff and landing. This means the TF-X can take off and land vertically, needing just a 100-foot space to do so. No runway required. The TF-X is powered by a combination of 2 propellers and electric motors. These are backed by a gasoline combustion engine, giving it versatility for both flying and driving. Whether you're in the air or on the road, it can handle both with ease. Another great feature is its compact design. The TF-X is built to fit into a standard garage, making it as practical as a regular car when you're not flying. And what's more, flying the TF-X will require much less training than a conventional pilot's license. This makes it accessible to more people, opening up the skies for everyday travel. The Terrafugia TF-X is a true game changer, blending the best of driving and flying into one innovative machine. PAL V Liberty, the flying car revolution. The PAL V Liberty is an innovative creation by the Dutch company PAL V. It's a unique blend of a 3-wheeled car and an auto gyro, which is also known as a gyroplane. To drive and fly this vehicle, you'll need both a driver's license and a gyroplane pilot's license. What makes the PAL V Liberty stand out is its compact design. It meets all the necessary regulations, making it a practical and functional flying car. When it's on the road, the propeller and rotor stay still, while power is directed to the wheels. This allows the vehicle to function like a normal 3-wheeled car. Interestingly, it also has a high center of gravity, which helps maintain stability while driving on the ground and flying in the air. The PAL V Liberty was first introduced to the public in February 2017. Its production model made a big debut at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2018. The first units are expected to be shipped by 2023. CityHawk eVTOL revolutionizing urban travel. Urban aeronautics CityHawk eVTOL is set to revolutionize city transportation. This compact, cutting-edge aircraft can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for navigating tight urban spaces. Its hydrogen fuel cells mean it's completely emission-free, making it a green choice for eco-conscious travelers. With the capacity to carry up to 6 passengers, the CityHawk is versatile enough for air taxis, emergency medical services, or personal commutes. It boasts advanced safety features, including robust backup systems and noise-reducing technology, ensuring a quiet and reliable ride. The CityHawk is designed to make urban travel faster, safer, and more sustainable. Discover how this innovative eVTOL is reshaping the future of city mobility, offering a cleaner and more efficient way to get around. Race Popup Next, the future of urban transport. Introducing Race Popup Next, a revolutionary transportation concept from Audi, Airbus, and AAEL Design. Picture a fully electric, autonomous vehicle designed to adapt to your needs. This cutting-edge concept features a modular design where a passenger capsule can easily connect to either a ground module for smooth, on-road travel or a flight module for swift aerial movement. This unique flexibility allows you to bypass traffic and choose the most efficient routes. Advanced AI manages all travel logistics, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience. With Race Popup Next, you get a glimpse into a future where urban mobility is not only smart and sustainable but also incredibly interconnected. This innovation aims to redefine how we navigate cities, combining the best of driving and flying into one sleek, eco-friendly package. Mansory Empower. The Mansory Empower redefines the meaning of luxury travel. This innovative supercar takes an extraordinary leap in design. Why? It doesn't have wheels. The Empower is a flying supercar that can float when not in use. This unique concept is inspired by Mansory's history of working with luxury car manufacturers like Lamborghini and Mercedes. It borrows design cues from high-performance and carbon fiber collections. With its crisp angles and streamlined body, the Empower exudes elegance and power. The large front windows are another standout feature, providing breathtaking views for the driver and passengers. When it comes to pricing, exact details remain undisclosed. However, Mansory's reputation for creating high-end, customized vehicles suggests it will be positioned as a premium product. Looking ahead to 2024, Mansory is focusing on personalizing iconic luxury models. These include the electric Rolls-Royce Spectre, the hybrid Lamborghini Revuelto, and the Ferrari Purosangue. This vision highlights Mansory's dedication to automotive innovation and sophistication, cementing their place as leaders in luxury vehicle customization.